So right now we are just finishing up filling up the dump truck. After this we are working in the trench for a bit. We're going to be laying pipes in the trench because I think we're doing, I don't know if we're doing water main or if we're doing or what we're doing right now, but I might say it further on in the video. Hey, look over here, you might be able to stand out of it. Now we are back to filling up the dump truck, I think for the whole video. The dump truck's leaving us. And the next one is coming in. Probably down the street there. The next one will be coming in. And we'll see which one comes in next. Probably the next one in line. Putting some rocks down in the trench. Putting some rocks into the trench. On the filter cloth. Filling up the dump truck once again. Filling up the dump truck. Yes, she is filling up one dump truck again.
Never usually the one you want to bring home to mom anyway, right?
Here comes another dump truck coming up. Here comes the next one. If I have enough clips from today, I could probably just add them into the current video. Video clips to the current video I'm editing right now. Depends. Or put it up as its own. Paul's talking to the dump truck driver once again. Waiting for the next one to get filled up. Waiting for the next one. Hey, Paul! We need you! The guys in the trench want you! The guys in the trench need you! The guys in the trench needed you. I don't know if you can see what they're doing. They're hammering in the filter cloth. We have to lay rocks on the filter cloth. That's why we're hammering it into the wall. Hey, cat. Come here. waiting to fill up the next dump truck. We're putting up some filter cloth in the trench.